Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a picture to your notes on the Notability application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And now select a note from the All Notes section, or you have the chance to create a completely new note by tapping on this icon down below, indicated by the image of a pencil. But I'm going to select a note that already exists. And if you want to add a photo, all you have to do is clicking on the camera icon in the middle of the screen, which is the fourth option. And now you will be ready to take a picture with your phone. So click on this camera icon down below, tap on it. And if you are satisfied with the result, tap on the use photo option down below in the right side corner of the screen. Or if you want to retake the picture, tap on the retake button on the other side. So now you have added your picture to your notes. As you can see, you have many options. You can crop it, then press this check mark icon down below, or you can also duplicate it, cut it, copy it, or delete it. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.